Hi everyone, my name is Olivia and I'm the French horn teacher for the JKYO and the KYO brass. And today I'd like to take you through a little checklist of how to record your part for our virtual concerts. There's some technical things that we want to keep in mind when we're doing this because we are a small piece of a really big puzzle. And our puzzle master is our video editor. And it's going to make their life easier if we follow these simple rules and put out our best possible performance. So here's our first thing. If you're using a phone or a tablet, place your phone or tablet in landscape orientation. So we want it to be a horizontal. You can simply just put your device on its side, okay? So that's what we want, landscape, not portrait view. If you're also using a phone or tablet that has a camera built in on both sides, you want to use the camera on the back of the phone, not your selfie camera. So there is a difference in the quality of the picture. So if you're using your selfie camera, it's actually not as good a resolution, okay? So make sure your camera, you're looking at the little camera at the back of your phone and not the screen, okay? The second thing is to check your audio, that it's set on stereo, okay? We need to have it on stereo. And then also for your video, make sure that the resolution is set to full high definition. Sometimes it's abbreviated to FHD, or you'll see numbers like 1920 times 1080. That's the resolution we want. It needs to be around the 1080 pixels, okay? Make sure that when you're recording, you have a neutral background behind you and you're in a well-lit space. If your lighting is behind you, it's going to make you have a shadow. It's going to be pretty spooky and shadowy, and your face is going to be dark. So make sure, what I have set up here is I've got a lamp in front of me and the light is pointing toward me. So I am a little bit shadowy here. It is best to record during the day when you can get some natural light. That looks great. And I would ask that you record basically from the waist up, and that your instrument is in full view. So we don't want to just see your mouthpiece in your head. We want to see you either sitting or standing and your instrument in full view. And make sure that when you are set up, that you are in the frame and you're not kind of off to the side. So make sure you're centered in the frame. Another important thing to remember is that you should test your audio and your video. Oftentimes, our settings are default settings. So if you're using an external microphone, then you're going to want to make sure that your microphone isn't too close and that you can turn it down. Oftentimes, especially with the brass or the louder decibels, or when you get into a higher decibel, sometimes the microphone will have a distortion. So you can easily adjust that by going to your settings and just turning down that microphone. It is okay to record with the built-in microphone of your device. It's these days the camera and the audio on the new tablets and phones are just as good. They're excellent, actually. So in fact, I'm recording this little video on my iPhone. So it's a good camera. And finally, I want to encourage you to practice playing with a metronome or a recording. So I know a lot of you are going to have MIDI tracks or a recording, and this is good practice because remember, being that small piece of a large puzzle, the most important thing is being able to play in time. We're not looking for perfect performances, but we do need to have a really good sense of rhythm. And I know that Marilyn has talked to you about this before. So practice with your metronome, start slow, and then increase up to the tempo that Marilyn has indicated for the music. I will encourage you to stay positive in this process. If you make a little mistake, that's okay. Don't try and do multiple takes of your performance. It's just going to tire you out, and it's not necessary. One little mistake. The thing is that we're trying to recreate as much of a natural performance as we can. And we're not in a big Hollywood studio. We're in our homes, and that's okay. So just make sure that you're playing with good rhythm and that you're playing the best that you can and that you're having fun doing it. That's the most important thing. Have fun, keep practicing, and I know that we're going to have a really cool recording at the end of this. Bye.